ever deployed an app where anyone could access admin pages? Root guards prevent that nightmare. Root guards are functions that control whether navigation to a route is allowed or blocked. They act as gatekeepers, intercepting navigation attempts before Angular activates a component. If the guard returns true, navigation proceeds. If false, it's blocked. This gives you fine-grained control over who sees what in your application. The two most common use cases are authentication and authorization. Authentication guards check if a user is logged in before allowing access to protected routes. For example, preventing guests from viewing their profile page. Authorization guards go further by checking user roles or permissions. Think admin-only dashboards or premium features for paid subscribers. Guards keep your app secure by enforcing these rules at the routing level. Angular provides several guard types for different scenarios. CanActivate is the most common, deciding if a route can be activated. CanDeactivate checks if you can leave a route, perfect for unsaved changes warnings. CanLoad prevents lazy loaded modules from even being downloaded, saving bandwidth for unauthorized users. And Resolve prefetches data before the component loads, ensuring your page has everything it needs up front. Here's a simple authentication guard. It implements CanActivate and checks if the user is logged in. The guard returns a Boolean, but it can also return an observable or promise for async operations like API calls. If it returns true, the route activates. If false, you can redirect to a login page. Guards integrate seamlessly into your route configuration. Root guards are Angular's gatekeepers that control navigation based on conditions you define. Master them to build secure, user-friendly applications. Practice implementing guards in your next project. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.